Quality. Sustainable. Reliable. These three pillars are not just our philosophy. They are the foundation upon which Thanh Tung Thinh was built. They are the driving force behind every piece we create and every promise we keep.
Standards behind every container lead to the port line the belong reputation you have built.
Therefore, we carve more than just patterns into the wood. We carve our devotion, ensuring that your brand's success becomes our most brilliant legacy. Success is built on process. We meticulously source our timber, then leverage advanced CNC technology to craft every detail. From kiln drying for stability, precision sanding for texture, to the final eco-friendly oiling and rigorous packaging, every step is a testament to our craftsmanship. And quality is our final word. Our dedicated QC team enforces a multi-stage inspection process, from raw material testing to final product output, ensuring that every item meets the most demanding global standards before reaching your door. Our production ecosystem is designed for versatility and global market reach. We specialize in 4 core pillars: premium kitchenware, featuring high-end cutting boards and wooden trays; specialized pet toys known for their durability; and sophisticated wooden packaging solutions. Every piece we craft reflects our mastery of wood, serving both functional needs and aesthetic excellence. Beyond our product range, we excel in comprehensive OEM and ODM services. From initial concept design and material selection to customized branding and packaging, we act as your dedicated production partner. We transform your unique vision into high-quality wooden realities tailored to meet your specific market needs. And every custom creation is backed by global standards: ISO, FSC, BSCI, and EUDR, guaranteeing a fully transparent and ethical supply chain. Backed by these global standards, we don't just supply products, we secure your supply chain. Thanh Tung Thinh, your strategic partner for a sustainable future. Let's build your legacy together.